Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I am opening my goodie bag for the virtual Blythe retreat that will be the weekend of June, I think it's 9th through 11th, with Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly and the Tapping Flamingo. They put together these goodie bags for us.
Pretty fat.
And yeah, it is. We bought these. You buy the little goodie bag, and you also get your ticket. And you can find those on Etsy, on the Etsy shop of Tammy Polly. And if you go to her channel, I will leave a link below. You'll be able to get to that Etsy shop and get yours. All of this was only $25. And when you think about it, that's incredible. Look at all this craft stuff. You got your jewelry crafting, and I think I saw Tracy open hers, Eclectic Wandering. And this has shells from Terry for a craft that we're going to do. How pretty is that? And she actually showed, on Terry's channel, she actually showed herself picking these up off the beach, which is so cool. So that's your jewelry. And then Tammy made these skirts with the halter tops. Oh, wow, that's called. Okay, here it is, Kawaii. Kawaii Doll Shop. That is her Etsy shop where you too can get this unless they're sold out. And then, look at these. And Peaches is already wearing one. Tammy mailed me one of those. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to set that here. I donated skirts for the goodie bags with shoes. These shoes will fit a Alley Blythe. If they ever get a little bit loose, just heat them up, put them on the foot, squeeze it a little bit, and you're good to go. Terry also made these bracelets. One for each person. How about that? Seriously, $25. Now your ticket is extra, and you can buy one or not. You can get a goodie bag, or a ticket, or a goodie bag and a ticket, however you want to do it. This is a lot of fun. I did this last year, and I put the whole weekend aside, and there was something to do every couple hours on Facebook. I love these postcards. She's added some too. Oh, look at that. That's so stinking cute. That one's new. This one's new. This doll, custom Blythe doll, she gave as a grand prize last year at the virtual Blythe retreat. And they're giving another one this year, and Tammy has it on her channel. I love these postcards. It's because of Tammy I started collecting them. Isn't that adorable? Thank you so much, Tammy and Terry. I am looking so forward to the virtual Blythe retreat. If you are on the fence thinking about whether you want to be included in all of this, the time to act is now. Tammy is selling out. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you, Terry and Tammy, for hosting the virtual Blythe retreat. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.